Okay, here we go. Yeah, second attempt at setting this up. It didn't work in my little yard down there. So we're trying it up here, which is slightly closer to the router. And I'm able to log in. It's extremely sunny, so the screen's gonna be black, but I'm gonna run the program. Ooh! What's up? Okay, servo calibration complete. And if I pretend I'm a bird and I land, hi, there's food, and then it's gonna take a picture. And it's gonna stay open as long as the bird's on the thing. And then it's gonna close very gently when they leave. Yay! Okay, I still need to... I added this hilarious attempt at waterproofing the camera. I think it'll be fine for now. Yeah, so we'll see what happens. Woo! Party time.